Meaning of divisively.
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 Divisively. Divisively means in a way that creates disagreement or disunity, often leading to a split or division in opinions or views. When something is done divisively, it can result in tension, conflict, and a lack of cohesion among individuals or groups. The actions or statements made in a divisive manner may cause people to take sides and feel polarized, resulting in a breakdown in communication and collaboration. Ultimately, divisiveness can lead to a heightened sense of hostility and animosity instead of fostering understanding and unity.